Determine whether the equation defines y as a function of x. So if I want to see if y as a function of x is that, then I need to solve for y first. So I'm going to subtract x to both sides to get y by itself. And then I get y squared equals 9 minus x. Now I'm going to square root both sides. And if you square root both sides, you've got to remember your plus or minus. So you get y equals plus or minus the square root of 9 minus x. Now remember, if y is a function of x, if I plug in something in for x, I should only get one output. So let's plug something in for x. I'm going to say I want x to be, let's say, 5. I'm going to plug anything in, but I'm going to use 5 as an example. You end up getting the square root of 9 minus 5, which ends up being plus or minus the square root of 4, which ends up being plus or minus 2. Now, plus or minus 2 really means that y is going to be 2 or negative 2, which means, if you look here, I plugged in one x and I got out two y's. And in order for it to be a function, every time I plug in an x, I only can have one. So this is not a function.